quick test. Test restreaming. Oh. Fine. And I also got this on YouTube, so I'll test that out real quick. Let's see my channel. Let's see my channel test. Nope, did not work. So these poor YouTube viewers, I won't see. So I pop out the chat box. Not work. So these poor YouTube viewers, I won't see. So I pop out the chat box. Oh. Okay. Well, it might just have to have two chat windows. YouTube chat. Okay.
Is going on, dude? It works 1 minute and then the next minute's not working. What's up?
I'll tell you. Stay tuned.
No, Facebook Live. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. No, I'll just keep another one up on my other screen. So alright, let's play some good soundtracks here. Yeah, this is just working, but not working. I wonder. So so my little enemy right here has a collision polygon. That's a little triangle in front of it for seeing whether the player's there or not. And then there's also a raycast that always points from the enemy to the player. So if the player hits the collision polygon, it then checks whether that raycast is going to hit the player first or if it's going to hit one of the walls first. But right now it only seems to work in this area. Out here it quits working. I don't know if it's because it's too far away from the enemy or maybe it just works in and around this area. So I'm going to move it all the way over here and test it out. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. No hit, no hit, no hit, no hit, no hit. Yep, there's a hit. So after so far, it don't work. Alright. So... Well, I guess in code, I'm not even sure how to change the distance, or if there even technically should be a limit, but apparently it seems to be like there's a limit. So you can see down here, oops, it quits this hit collider that's there, but when it gets too far, like distance 19, no hit, but 17 there is a hit. And clearly over here he shouldn't be anything in between us. So that's where I'm at. Oh, oop. Alright, so let's go into enemy script. So this visibility script for the bot. Let's see what else is there in get world dot get I don't know, on completion doesn't show you everything. Let's see, get world returns the current world resource. This spatial node is registered to. Okay, and what's that? Let's see. Let's get direct space. Oh. Get direct space state. So we'll be using physics process. Luckily, I'm actually using the physics process this time. So wait, there's get space and physics space. Maybe I'll just use a raycast node. I didn't think it should have been any different, but maybe it is. So I'll just name this cast player. Then title script. Raycast to player. Great. Function. Oops. Process. I'm not gonna use delta. Put a little underscore so it doesn't give me a warning that I'm not using it. And let's see. Got the documentation. I want to embed it. Cast 2. Okay. Let's be a vector 3. So if dot if master dot player, then we'll run this. Well, no, I don't know. Then cast to master dot player dot I think it's to get something. Alright, let's do this. No. Equals okay. Now this should be able to say p dot. All right, and I should get all the auto completion now because p is supposed to be a player object. And let me see, p dot get trans. And oh wait, actually, I'm gonna go back. Global transform origin. Okay, so I'm gonna get the master player's global transform origin. Copy that. Back over here. Cast 2 isn't declared. It's not. Oh, wait. It's not a function. Okay. And I probably want to embed it or enable it. And Exclude parent. Default is true. That's good. It's a good thing. And we got the to cast 2. And enabled default is false. Maybe we'll set enabled. Where am I? Already cast 2 player. Set. Is there an embedded enabled? Actually, visibility changed. I think Raidcast would have some more signals. I can turn it on by default. Let's glide with bodies. Right. Really, it should only be enabled whenever the player hits the spot, but I'll do that later. I just want to see it works to its fullest extent here. Collider? Right, if collider and dot is in group, then player is visible. Default, I'm gonna just say okay. And yeah. Okay. So now enemy. See this raycast. Alright. Player visible is off. Damn it. Come on. You can't stay. Alright, this player visible is off. Now it is still off. But it does look like it is casting to the player. For whatever reason. Oh wait, visible, on, off, on, off. Where is it casting from? Alright. Go to the local tree. No, right in the middle. Right in the middle. Right there. Could maybe try to put it right there. But I don't see how it shouldn't be working. Oh, on. Oh. Back to notes. Enemy. Broadcast. Exclude parent. I wonder. Oh, you know, sometimes I'm not even sure if these actually update when you do that. I'm gonna test it real quick here. I don't know if that updates it. Actually, I've been wrong. I think I'll move it up here though. Collide with bodies. Exclude parent. Debug. Visible collision shapes. And navigation too. I should see the line. Oh, I'm seeing my own. Here. Let's see. And still shows it. Oh wait, there it is. Dirty bastard. What are you doing? Ugh. I got her debugger tools. Freaking fucking hell. That would explain things. Right there. It's not casting, right? Not at all. Enemy. But paid house. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's test this out. Ah, damn it. Damn it. What the fuck did I press? Whatever I pressed, it stopped it. Dun, 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 boom. Do it without doing it that time. Cool. I just want to see. Yeah, why are you casting over there? It must be casting locally. That's what I bet it's doing. That old bugger thinks he's the center of the universe. And just thinks everything is relative to him. How dare he? That's his issue. So if I subtract it by its position, I think that would fix it. Dun, 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 dun. So minus global transform, not origin. Okay. Let's see if that fixes it. Oh fuck. Yep, that fixed it. Shooting me right in my heart. Shit. That's probably what was wrong before. That other raycast. But that other raycast seemed to only work when you were within a certain distance. Oh. This one. This one is once you're too close, it don't work. Because it's just hitting the floor. You go up a little bit. Or shoot multiple rays. Maybe I'll just try to... I'm gonna so hard code this here. And... subtract by a vector 3. 0. I'm gonna say 1. 0. It should be up a little higher or down a little lower. Okay. I'll add. am still so low. 2? 2? What do you want? No? Holy fuck. Is it still under me? Or is it just hidden in the floor now? You know what? Oh. It's probably way too much. But we try 0.2. This should at least hit him like it was before again. No? Okay, let's just try 0. Okay, looks like it's hitting again. Alright. Just try negative 0.1. Okay. Now it's hitting. Let's try negative 0.5. Oh. No, I'm moving the whole ray. So, to do var position equals, take that, split position. Dot y equals fuck. You saying hi or you want something? You smell like shit. You smell like shit. You wanna go back outside? Oh, alright. Back outside. Outside. Alright. Yuppie. Alright, take this dog out. Ugh. Oh. I'm back. What's this? What are they playing now? Doom Remix. Doom 2. Sorry, cast. Yeah, it's pointing right at the floor. Why? And if I subtract y by like, I don't know. Let's see. Oops. At least they're supposed to be 8 high. I don't know. Let's see. See if I say. Let's subtract it by 2. Oh, subtracting should be adding. I think. Yeah. Pretty sure. Still looks like it's directly on the floor. What the hell? This is so complicated. What is wrong with me? Alright. Make it so you can do it in real time. So bar offset y equals 0. Process offset y literally equals input dot get action strength UI up UI. Oh wait, oh, one of the two. Alright, minus input dot get action strength UI. It's like UI up. Alright. And times 10th of that. And I should be able to see it over here once it's playing. Oh wait, is that already? I don't see offset. Maybe I need to select it. There you go, offset. Maybe there needs to be an X and Y offset, I don't know. Oh, fucker. It's... Oh, actually, next time I do that, I could probably hit the back button that's right here. Because the inspector keeps changing every time I click. Alright, then change that time. And... holy fuck, it's all the way down there now. Holy fuck. How is it working? Did I ever implement it to work? Somehow it's all the way down there. I could probably just click off and change it, huh? Okay. What happens? It's always putting down. Jax, what are you doing? Heck. Let's add in offset. Alright. Let's see. There it goes. Maybe it still points down though. Oh, wait. Get Let's see what happens if it's X. Am I crazy? No, that's what I was expecting. Right. Z is gonna be the same thing. This shouldn't do anything. Hey, what's up, Kyle? Done. You're done. You're done with your BS for the day. Well, I'm trying to figure out why this raycast is just sitting at my feet. But I mean, I guess if it works, it works. It's just weird. Jeez, 2 hours. Jesus. And you see when it's yellow, it's colliding. When it's red, it's not. So if I go right there. Yeah, and I keep trying to erase it, but... the heck? What is it colliding with? Is it pointing above me? How is it colliding? I am so confused. What's the value? Yeah, there shouldn't be nothing up there that I'm aware of. Let's see. Bye. Alright, go into the player cast. This is the... oh, just casting. My offset's only 8. Whoa, that is pretty up high in the air. I'll set that back to 0. Now, back at my feet. Okay. I wish I had a different view. But right now, it looks... I'm pretty sure it's at my feet. Try raising that to 8.3. I think it's going to be a bit high. But let's see. 8.3. Yep, back up in the air. There's one. No, positive wise up for this. It's a little backwards from like Game Maker or even 2D. Normally 2D, even in Godot, when you go down, it goes up for Y the value. For 3D, other way. I don't know if it's like that in every engine. You can technically change it. But... oops, I died. Oh, this is one way I can get another camera angle. Just I can't move once the time's over, though. Alright, retry. Ah! What the fuck? Wasn't it just down low? That is weird. Yeah. Whatever it's doing, it's not touching me. Ah! It was awful. Mm. And here's the script. This is just so I can, with my keyboard, I can offset it by 0.1 by pressing up and down. And then it uses this variable. Layer is visible. Well, I wonder what that player visible variable is. You know, I'm not paying attention to what that one says. I'm just using whether that line's colored in or not as an indicator. Right. So back to the editor. Alright, player is visible. Oops. For the enemy. And for the enemy's raycast here. Player is visible. No. Oh! Okay, it's saying it's not visible, but... Yeah. So that code's not even running right there when this is... Maybe when it's red it was colliding. Oh! When it's red it is colliding. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Yeah, now it says player is visible right here. I'm trying to fix a problem that's not even there. But, let's see. But it's still red though when you're behind walls. It shouldn't be. Huh. Oh wait, no. Never mind. It's still, even though it's red, it's colliding, but player is visible isn't on anymore. Okay, once again, I'm an idiot. Now it's on, off. On, off. On, off. On, off. Okay. Holy shit. Alright. That took me forever. Finally get to making this game. And I don't know why. At first the rolling mechanic was working perfectly. But now there should be no collision. I'm only moving the head that just has the camera. There's no kinematic bodies in it at all. But for whatever reason, I can get stuck. So somehow it must be colliding. I just don't know how though. Or maybe there's something else that's messing with it. Maybe it's my walk animation. Or something. I don't know what's causing it. But sometimes you get stuck now when rolling. That only seems to happen when you're sometimes touching certain floor pieces or against walls. Sometimes it happens on the floor too. I don't know. Right now it's not doing it though. And the motion's kind of weird. Sometimes it freezes. I'll have to look into it. Maybe I should try disabling the walk-in animation. Let's see if that does anything. Oh, just like kind of go into third person when you roll. I mean, I think that's how a lot of other games would have done it. When you roll, you go third person. Some of the Doom mods, you go third person when you roll too. Or just lower it, put it back up. Maybe. Because as far as my knowledge, the camera shouldn't have any collisions whatsoever. But, like, I can show you. I go in my little anime thing. Now, I think I have made a mistake. Made the roll and walk the same thing. So that might be what's causing it. Before I had a whole bunch of separate animation objects. And I thought I was making it too complicated. So I put it all into one. And now I'm thinking it's causing more problems. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure if the rolling or not might cause migraines or motion sickness. Or motion sickness with girls. Because I know a lot of girls, I don't know, they tend to get motion sickness more frequently for games. Like Bioshock Infinite, it happened a lot with girls. Ashley, she always had that. She had that motion sickness trouble with Bioshock. So yeah, that might be a good idea to do. Let's see. I never had that problem. I never heard any guys having the issue either, but there might have been guys who got sick from playing it. Alright. Maybe I should touch up the rolling a bit. That doesn't sound good. Oh, this is kind of me being lazy, but I also thought it might have been cool. I left holes in the flooring so you can fall through.
You're just eating pickles and talking.
Eating pickles and talking?
Yeah.
Are they gone?
Yeah. And, well, basically, Dad told him to download Among Us, and,
We didn't play it?
well, not tonight, but, I'm excited.
That game, the only problem I had was the analog stick was all the way down on the left corner. Whenever I tried moving, I kept moving my finger off the screen. I just took them out.
You just took Jax out?
Yeah.
Lay down, buddy. Did he pull?
Alright. He did not. Well, he pooped earlier. I took him out twice since he got back from work. He pooped the first time, second time he did it.
Okay.
But right when we got home, when I took him out, he pooped. Alright. So, I don't know. The animations aren't even that big of a deal, but if I could just have them not be all buggy. That would be nice. So, and another thing is it's annoying is I'm trying to mess with the animations. I don't think I can see the animations on with the floor. That makes it kind of confusing. Oh, actually, I don't even have the player in this scene. I spawn them in. So maybe I'll just add a floor in the player scene. Oh no. Can I just make a new 3D scene? Just add a floor real quickly. Maybe I can edit in here. Oops, I don't want a multi-mesh. Floor, play mesh. I'll scale it up a bit here. Right. That's different from the sky. Maybe a brown color. Or just black. For whatever reason, I can't get white because when you turn it white, it goes blue. Oh. Or I can just load in a texture. I think I'll do that. And I need to repeat it. Alright. Add the player. Nah, it's a bit big. Okay, let's see. Ah, I fell through the floor. Ah, round one. Okay. Yeah, with a single floor, I don't know, it just runs smoother for whatever reason. Alright. But let's change this. Now, animation. Yeah, see, there's the animation for it. That's all it does is spin the camera. I actually made it to spin the camera so it wouldn't cause these issues. Because initially, when I was doing the roll, you would fly up all the way up. You would fly up in the air. Which, it seemed cool, but I had some inconsistent results sometimes, so I just did that. Is the rolling hitbox fudgers? The hitbox stays the same. It's just the only thing is it's rotating this head spatial node, and it's a child of the chiasmatic body right here. So it really shouldn't be affecting anything. And this mesh, like, it doesn't have any collision box or static body or anything, so none of this stuff should be making it stuck. Now, I do get a speed boost when you roll, so maybe it's the speed boost. But I don't know why that would stop the animation from playing. Maybe somehow it's playing the walk animation sometimes. Maybe that's why it's getting stuck. So that's why I was thinking about earlier of disabling the walk animation. But now I got a feeling if I make it stop rolling, it'll probably still get stuck. So maybe I'll just not do the walk animation. Alright. Let's see. Just go through, disable everywhere where it makes it walk. This unit. Hopefully that doesn't just stick you in a roll animation all the time, but we'll see what happens. Well, it seems to be running smoother now. Maybe. I'll see what happens when you hit the walls and stuff in the game. Oh, it still does it. But I think it's running better. Oh, I died. Yeah, I don't see why that stops the animation from playing. Wait, do I still have something that controls the speed of the animation? I do. That would explain it. Let's see. Yep, that fixed it. Okay. It's because I was trying to control the speed of the walk animation. Now it definitely makes you dizzy. Alright, well, I fixed 2 bugs. And now it freaking spins super fast. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. I might make myself sick. I don't know why that's... Alright. I think I fixed the jumping a while ago. Gravity's a little floaty. Probably needs to add acceleration to it or just make it faster. But fuck. Ugh. Oh. Wonder, do I just keep working on the enemy? Work on the animation for the dashing or whatever it's gonna be. I'm gonna get my controller real quick. Yeah, I discovered there's finally... I don't know how long it's been there. It's not a category, but it's a tag. There's a tag now on Twitch called Game Development. I thought that was cool, because you can't customize your own tags on it. So far I had only one random viewer so far. And then it's just been you and Cookie that actually talks so far. Ugh. So I figured I had a plan where Ashley, she's good at art, and though she doesn't have too much experience making art for video games, eh, streaming 10 plus hours a day. Jeez. Well, it's probably the best way to start picking people up too. That's only when I do see streams. They're always that long. They're always some ungodly amount of time of the day. But yeah, I think normally I don't think you use streaming to get a following unless you do stream for those hours. Most of the time I see my YouTube subscriptions and they'll stream. But yeah, I had an idea where with Ashley she's good at art and stuff, but she doesn't not as much experience with game art. It's a little different trying to get the right size, making sure it can be transparent and stuff like that, and then the animation and that. But I figured since I'm always ditching projects anyways, and it's kind of hard to stay on a project, I could keep making little projects and just releasing. I could just release the code for it, and then she could make assets for it, and then we could either just sell them like that, as like little game engines, or if we had a Patreon, just if somebody becomes a Patreon, they can just have all of the engines and all of the art and all the art assets, which I figured that'd be easy. And if you target the right games, like on Yo-Yo Game Sandbox, that's just like a game that's Game Maker's website, and you used to be able to put up games and source code on there. And when you did that, all I did was make a 3D like Call of Duty Nazi Zombies clone. And that got lots of attention. So, if I target the right things here and there, I'm pretty sure like right now if you did a what's the game called? If you kind of like made a clone of Among Us, I bet that would catch lots of attention because everyone's probably wanting to make their own Among Us game at the moment. So, I don't know. And I could probably make like a 3D first person, third person shooter engine that's kind of like Fortnite, and just keep doing stuff like that every so often. Because initially, it's very interesting. It's very fun to play with. But then you hit that rock point at some spot where you kind of stop, or for whatever reason you got stuck. Well, now that's not an issue, and that happens so much because all that work I put into it, now I could be getting some money for it. Oh yeah. And then also with the Godot, there's a lot of people using it, but I don't see as much assets and stuff out there for it. So I might have some of my some of the assets we stuff for free, but then I'm figuring I'll mostly focus on the stuff behind the paywall. But we'll see if we ever get around to that or not. Which I might just make Carnage that. Just we'd have to redo the walls and the floors for our own assets. But other than that, I can make this a part of that too. Oh, helps when your controller is plugged in. So, are you still working with RPG Maker? Sweet. Is it still the same project, or did you restart again, or what's going on with it? Sweet. Geez, how many years is it now? And you at least restarted once. I think you restarted once, right? I mean, you might have used same of the assets, but you pretty much restarted all the levels and stuff. Oops. I accidentally unplugged the HDMI cable. There it goes. Alright. Alright. So, probably if the enemies, probably that's a big thing to be working right now. Oh, I also started making tutorials for Godot too. None of them are up yet, but I gotta edit. I gotta edit the one before I post it. Oh yeah? Done by January. You're giving yourself a deadline. Have you always had deadlines, or do you just keep not reaching them? That's one. Yeah. It's like you're giving yourself maybe a couple months. I imagine that amount of time you're putting into it. Have you made any other kind of finished projects, or like little mini projects or anything? No. I have too many projects. But yeah. Alright. So alright. So wait, so I never got code version working. I think this used to work, but all of a sudden, this raycasting code just wasn't working for this project. So I guess I'm throwing it away. It seemed to only work within a certain distance, but then once you're too far, it just wouldn't work. And I can't find good documentation for it to get it working, so might be able to just create the raycast from here, or I might just ditch the script. I'm not sure. Because it kind of works, just not that far. Oops. The player is visible. Alright. It goes to Chase. Then commented out all this code. Ah! Oops. No. Ah. Oh. That rotates the raycast. I mean, I guess you don't need it now, but the position where that's at is being rotated. Oops. So... Yeah. It's rotating the whole thing, so it rotates that. Do I fix that? Might be a way to make this independent. or I don't know, independent, but make it not inherit or undo the inheritance that it's getting from the enemy. I could just think it's just inheriting the rotation's the problem. I'm also doing something so it will cast to the player, where it actually has to subtract its own location, its global location, because it's the cast 2 property is relative to where it's at. So I might have to do something similar with the rotation. I'll just have to figure out what the rotation value is. The rotation vector is. Oh, so far with me though, I do get distracted while doing this on streams. It's been keeping. I think it's been helping me stay on task a little bit better than how I normally am. I just think if I start making tutorial videos, it might increase the probability, the likelihood I might start getting more views maybe on Twitch, or just as long as maybe the YouTube videos, if I get a following and then they're interested in the Patreon, that'd be nice. I was also thinking about just grabbing little clips from the stream and posting them up on YouTube maybe. Should probably start posting them onto Reddit or Facebook groups or Discord. And also maybe just probably start checking out other people's games for some inspiration and trying to help me get familiar, get my name out there more by giving feedback to other people. Ugh. Yeah, right here. So I need to do something like that for rotation too. So or does it affect the rotation? I mean, it does. But is the actual rotation property even changing? I got a feeling it's not. If it's not, I could still do this. I would just have to subtract the rotation of its parent to undo it, pretty much. So, when you rotate, this rotate will be should be a vector 3. Yep, it is. And make it a negative. Get parent. I don't know if I can assign that it's the bot. Dot. I don't know. Dot. Alright. Auto completion's not gonna work for that. Oh wait. That would make it par. Get parent. And get the auto completion working. So this should be a bot. Maybe. What am I doing wrong? Oh, it's over here. I think that should be a capital B. Okay. Yeah, I forgot the syntax for a second. Alright. Now, it should just say it is negative bot dot And it's not perfect. It still doesn't fucking work all the time. Let's see. Get rotation. Sense actor. Sense Prismatic body. All right. No, let's see. Oh, hey, this is online tutorials now. That's cool. I don't know why it gives you a 2D tutorial. Prismatic body character 2D. I don't think there's that. I guess they are that similar, maybe, but that's weird. They give you a 2D tutorial for a 3D node. Mouse lock. Huh. Oh, move lock. Okay. Get access lock, move floor, or get floor. Get floor velocity. Get side collision. Is on ceiling, is on floor, is on wall. Test move. Alright, I'm not seeing any rotation. I should probably go up to... It's probably spatial. I want to see the rotation values. Rotation degrees. Just rotation degrees, and there's just rotation. Scale, transform. Oh. One of those are probably the scale too. Thinking I want rotation degrees. Set rotation degrees, wow. Alright, that's it. Now... So... Oh. Set rotation degrees. And then assume get rotation degrees is a thing. Alright, but I wanted to get it for the parents. So par dot. Let's see if that works. Okay, it's pointing. So it might be working. At the very least, it's not doing anything. Oh, yeah, that worked. Sweet. Woohoo. Hi.
Hi.
What you doing? Would you rather like watch something on TV? Like you could watch.
I would rather watch some TV, but I don't want to mess up his report.
Oh, no, it's alright.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Oh. That just seems like a terrible place to be. Like, I mean, for a little bit maybe, but I don't know what's in the 90s. Alright. So, this program I'm using to check who's the viewers, it only seems to show me. Or wait, no it don't. Okay, I can see how many viewers are on each thing. Alright. First I thought it was just showing me. Alright. I'm gonna be heading off now. Thanks for watching my stream.